Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to connect your live Magento store to Kosmos eSync. The first thing you need to do is create an action. From here, choose your point of sale or ERP. Choose LightSpeed, click Continue. Now choose Magento. You can choose a Magento demo store if you want to keep testing, or add a different account, which is going to be your live store. Click Add a different account. You will notice a message up here. Before you begin, please verify that your web servers are installed on your server so you can continue the integration. But to verify that they're installed correctly, you just go to this URL, yourdomain.com, Kosmos Web Service, main.php, WSDL, hit refresh, and you'll see the SOAP web services here. Now granting access to your Magento store. You want to give your Magento store a name. Magento Live Store. Your URL to your Magento store. Enter that here. Now you have API user and API key. Your user is your user for Magento. Your API key is actually your password for Magento. So now let's go to our Magento store. When creating a username and role, go to System, Web Services, Users, and Roles. Start with your role first. This gives you permissions to make updates, to create items, to delete an item, and so forth. So let's do the roles. I'm going to add a new role. Let's call it Kosmos. New role. Save on that, save role. Now what we want to do is give our role some permissions to access information on our website. So it's going to do all, save role, and next users for that role. Right now there's no users, so we want to create a user next. Go to System, Web Services, and Users. Let's add a new user. Kosmos, new user. First name, Kosmos eSync. You also want to create a password for this user. In this instance, we're just going to say 123456, 123456. And some special characters. And save the user. Okay, so we have a user and we have a role. So now let's assign this new user a role. Click on Roles and Kosmos new role, save user. So if we go to System, Web Services, Users and Roles, click on User. So we can verify that role has been set up. You click on User Role, Kosmos New Role. You can also go to System, Web Services, Roles, Kosmos New Role. Look at the users associated with it. We got Kosmos New User. So we have a new user that's now set up. So now let's enter our new user and password into eSync. Now we have Kosmos new user and whatever our password was that we set up. Access account. Okay, now that we're connected to Magento, let's click Continue. Now you're going to want to test some product updates. So let's send products to Magento. Choose your date time frame. You can go back a couple months or a few days or a week. We're just going to go back a week. Send products to Magento. Save action. Instead of turning on the schedule, we can run this by the minute and let it run in the background, but we're just going to test right now and just run manually. Please be patient. This could take a couple minutes. Once this has completed, you can log into your Magento store and validate that there has been some updates. Log into your Magento store, click Catalog, Manage Products, and verify that your products have got up to your store. Thank you, and that's how you configure your Magento username and roles. Thank you for joining, and if you have any questions, please go to our support center. You can also see Solutions eSync integration, Magento eSync integration, and how to set up your account. You can also post a new ticket if you have any problems. Thank you for your time, and feel free to post a ticket if you have any questions.